In this video, we'll see how the Email Address Enhancer application enables an organization to effectively manage day-to-day business activities and communicate more effectively. Business users of an organization must interact and share information about business transactions with customers, vendors, and colleagues on a regular basis. In Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations out-of-the-box solution, an account executive can generate many reports and send them directly to customers, vendors, or colleagues. However, the email with attachments would be sent from an admin email address by default, making it difficult for the recipient to identify who actually sent the email and who to contact if they have questions. With the Email Address Enhancer application, the From email address of a team member can be selected while sending reports from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. The email will be sent from a specific user's email box instead of using an admin email ID. Recipients now know who to contact directly if they have any further questions on an email. The email can also be sent using the Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations email template feature. In this video, we'll walk through one scenario, the customer scenario. Note that this feature will work with vendor, project, or other reports in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Let's go through the setup of this functionality in the system. Navigate to the System Administrator, Email, Custom Email Parameters. In the Customer Email Parameters tab, you'll see all the email addresses that will be available to send mail. Right now, there's only one setup in the system. We can add new email addresses by clicking on the New button. The port number is automatically generated by the system. Enter the outgoing server details, username, user email ID, and password, and then click Save. A test email can be sent to verify the email information was set up correctly. Select a From Email ID to test, and enter a Send To email address. A test email is sent to the mail ID selected, which verifies that the email is set up correctly. Now, let's go through the email process in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. We'll see the scenario of generating a customer account statement and sending the statement in PDF format to the customer's point of contact. Navigate to Accounts Receivable module, Customers, Customer Account Statement, Destination, Change, and select Email. Enter a To email address for the customer. Enter a subject for the email. Select the From email address from the drop-down box under Setup Email Addresses. Select the body from the drop-down box, for example, SO Invoice Sales Order, Invoice Report. Select the attached report file format, for example, XML, HTML, or PDF. Next, move to Records to include Filter. Select the customer accounts criteria and enter a customer whose reports will be sent in an attachment to the email. Click OK. Now again, click OK on the customer account statement. The Action Center shows that the customer report was successfully sent as an attachment. An email, along with the attached copy of the reports and body describing the email purpose, is sent. The attachment can be viewed by the customer. The Email Address Enhancer application enables an organization to effectively manage day-to-day communications more effectively with customers, vendors, and colleagues by sending emails from specific employees and not a generic email address.